benefits that IBM MFT would actually offer. With that, I'll just start off with why MFT. We still see that most of the industry, I mean, part of every industry as such is depending on files for various types of synchronizations across disparate systems. They would want to exchange a lot of data across their enterprise in terms of in the way of files. It could be flat files, it could be CSVs, it could be various types of data. It may not be a numerical data. It could be various types of data. I mean, types of information like design documents, design. Especially in the manufacturing and auto industry, we have seen a lot of data. I mean, files being exchanged across the supplier network, where files play a key role in exchanging this information. So we have also seen through the survey that approximately 55% of these data exchanges happen through files, and hence, if there are any failures in delivering these files to the destined system or partner or an application, whatever it could be, right? The process that depends on the file actually fails. Some of the examples where it doesn't, when it doesn't work, what happens? In the banking industry as such, in BFSI as such, if there are certain files that are delivered, that needs to be delivered, are not delivered on time, then you see normally some of the customer bills that are paid online are not actually processed, and hence there are penalties that needs to be paid to the various billers. In telecom, again, various kinds of data files that are exchanged. In the case of any disaster recovery, in any disaster recovery cases, if companies are not synchronizing their data centers well, then they are not prepared for the disaster when it strikes. Similarly, these are limited examples, whereas there are a whole lot of other set of examples where files definitely play a role, a key role in this in the data exchange as such. So hence we emphasize a lot. We have seen that in the industry, especially in the banking and financial services industry, that managing these data transfers has become a prime importance for the IT as well as business. And then comes the security and governance part of it, where they need to monitor all these aspects of data and files that is being exchanged with partners and external parties.